So I love the fact that Blink enables everything in one place. So they know if I'm going to get communicated to by Transformative, I can go to this place. I don't have to search for an email or check out a newsletter or try to find a text or try to find a phone number. The directory alone, the hub, it simplifies. So one of the things that Taylor has brought to our organization over the past year was also using this filter. On the clinical side, I use, the patient, but on the people team side, she uses what can make our team members' lives easier. And Blink has been able to do that, and has almost been this kind of saver of time for us and given our administrative minutes back to us, and sent a meaningful message. So I think technology is important, but the right technology is important. So engagement, like Scott said, and developing the career pathways like Ron talked about. But I think finding one place that the technology is meaningful is important, because we're throwing so many things at people. They need to have a hub, and Blink actually has the hub.
It is our main source of all communication. We have eliminated or stopped issuing email addresses to employees. Those that had it were grandfathered in, but there is a cutoff date that will go away, and everyone is 100% on Blink for the primary means of communication. And then obviously they navigate to the hub to access all other methods of technology in which we make available to them.
We would love to do that. So definitely a transition.
Yeah.
One of the organizations that we manage has team member email addresses, and one of them did not. So it was always a challenge making sure that the domain got through whatever the private email address was. So this combats that challenge as well. And it's been building a culture. So we ran a couple of pilot groups, one as small as 5 people and the largest as large as 56 in teams. And we created a really nice organizational structure that Blink actually helped facilitate better span of control and messaging. So it's part of an empowerment plan. It's part of making sure that the leadership structure of the organization has the tools and resources to allow it to be successful with that power down mentality that I talked about before, and ensuring that span of control and whoever's leading a team or a section or a district, et cetera, has the ability to communicate appropriately. So between the content moderator role, the admin role, the ability for people to like or comment, the ability to notify someone or not notify someone, do the requirement where they must acknowledge the message. These are all features that will allow us to hopefully use Blink as our primary means going forward.
And I can tell you, as a longer time user, those features are game changers. They really are. One of our managers just put something pretty critical out yesterday to the team, and the acknowledgement feature assures you that everyone's acknowledged it, read it, at least received it, right? No, those are nice features.